Namaskar. I am Varun Mehrotra, Director Sales and Marketing Fairmont Jaipur. I hope everybody is safe and following the government norms. A great initiative by Global Design Limited, wherein we will interact with each other, we will understand each other in a better way, and we will answer some of the questions today. Well, one question which keeps coming to us time and again is, what sets Fairmont Jaipur apart from any other venue available in the country? And believe in me when I say it's you, your love, your support, what makes us unique. Second, I am a proud Indian. From childhood, I have learned one thing, which is Atiti Devo Bhava, which means guest is God. And that's what we truly do at Fairmont Jaipur. We understand your needs, we understand your sentiments, we understand your requirements, and then we ensure we come together as one team and we deliver it to the best so that you can carry the fond memories for your lifetime. Third is the architecture of the hotel, which is a beautiful amalgamation of two very strong cultures, which is Rajputana and Mughal. And every corner at Fairmont Jaipur depicts a story. It brings back to your roots, and that's the beauty about the palace. That's the beauty about this architecture. Fourth is the food, which is the most important thing. And thanks to our culinary team who creates that magic when it comes to the food. Every event they take it so personally that they want to ensure that every event goes very successful from the hotel, and they offer something which is very unique when it comes to the food in the menu. Thanks to everybody, thanks to the entire team of Fairmont Jaipur for delivering such a wonderful and amazing experiences, and we continue doing that with your love and support. Another question which has come to us that what are the most beautiful designs we have seen at Fairmont Jaipur? Well, to answer this, every design, whatever our partners creates, are beautiful and are the best because a lot of hard work, effort goes in turning an event or turning a set into a proper set. In my words, if I have to say, I will say that it's the dream which we see at Fairmont Jaipur coming into a reality in a fairy tale wedding. And that is all because of our partners, our event fraternity, and hats off to them for creating such a beautiful imaginary world into the reality. Another interesting question which has come that many a times event planners as well as the clients push hotels a lot, and what are the biggest challenge what we have seen in past? Well, to answer this in my words, I will not call them as a challenge because every bride, every groom, every family has created some dreams in their thoughts and mind, which they want us, when I say us, the hotels as well as the event planners, to come into the reality and execute it. Well, one of the main challenges which come with us that the location for the fairas. The pool side has been a unique selling point for us, but lot many clients don't want that area and want other locations. So as a team between us and the event planner, we pick up lot other locations in the hotel and we present it to the guest. For example, the hotel has got a beautiful antique 300-year-old door. For one of the clients, we curated the fairas in front of that door so that a beautiful backdrop of the door can come into the reality. A second area, I remember what we suggested when you come to the Fairmont, we do this rose petal shower from the top and where the gentleman stands. That area, there we executed a fairas. So in the entire family was standing down and they were watching up and looking at the bride and the groom, and they were just enjoying the celebration. So every problem or a challenge has a solution. It depends upon us, the way we explain it to the client. I think that's the mantra for it. Question is that how as a organization we are gearing up for COVID-19? Well, we have got a lot of guidelines from Accor. We are in process of making various standard operating process which will be executed in the hotel. The entire team at Fairmont Jaipur is brainstorming and coming up with more and more ideas for a better future. For example, at the time of check-in, Arogya Setu app will play a major role. From an arrival and a departure point of view, if you have to pick a guest from the airport, we will ensure that there are social distancing which is maintained in the car. The driver is fully geared up with all the tools from a sanitizers to the mask to the gloves, if anything required by the guest. Also, every room to be sanitized after checkout. Laundry will be a one big area of focus. Well, every baggage which is coming inside the hotel to be sanitized. So, things like these will be implemented in our hotels a lot, and that should be the way forward. Well, as a closing statement, it's my humble request to each one of us to follow government norms, to maintain social distancing, to enjoy time with family. It's a wonderful time. It's a precious time. This time is teaching us a lot of things. And I'm sure together we will overcome COVID 19 very soon. Look forward to see you back at Fairmont Chep.